Hi, my name is Emilian. I work in the Green Development and Climate Change Unit under the Division for Planet. I will take over for a little while and guide you through the third phase of the instructional model we use at UNITAR. Development. Development comes right after the design phase, and it is when things become even more interesting. It is the phase when your course or other learning event begins taking shape. As you have probably already noticed, you will rarely be required to develop a course all by yourself. You will be part of a team, each team member having a role to play. A team would generally have subject matter experts, instructional designers, illustrators, graphic designers, video makers, and editors. In some cases, one colleague can wear more than one hat. For instance, one can be a subject matter specialist, but also an instructional designer. Or one can be an instructional designer, but also a video maker. Which role do you think you would play? The development phase is about identifying the relevant content and its presentation format based on agreed means of deployment and tools. Remember the analysis phase and think about the syllabus, the outcome of the design phase. That is the blueprint of your course. When choosing the content, we make sure that it responds to the learning gap identified in the analysis phase, and it is aligned at the same time with the learning objectives and assessments designed during the design phase. So you can already see the interconnections and how the first two phases feed into the development phase. Presentation format is about giving to the content a certain shape while assembling it in a logical progressive learning path, including all the elements that make up the course, whether we talk about a face-to-face course, an online course, or blended. These elements can be storyboards, case studies, video scripts, narrations, animations, activities, facilitators' notes, tests, and others. This happens while we already have a clear idea about the overall means of deployment and the tools we'll engage with. What does this mean? It means that by the time we begin working on the presentation of each element of the course based on the chosen content, we already know whether it will be a face-to-face course or an online course. In the case of an online course, for example, we would already know the e-learning platform which will host the course, whether it will be moderated or self-paced, what authoring tools will be engaged with for the development of the interactive lessons, and so on. To a great extent, this is a design-informed decision. The development phase is probably the most fun, because it is when creativity can be unleashed to ensure that the course will be engaging to the target audience through interactions, assignments, illustrations, videos, to name just a few. To learn more, take the interactive lesson of this module. See you later.